O God, bless us and all in the world with peace, happiness, purity in mind, health and wealth. Today we are going to see one important mudra which cures diabetics, sugar. In modern world, most of the people forgot their names. I am a diabetes patient. They are always thinking I am a diabetes patient. They forgot their name. Definitely one can practice correct way of yogic method of mudras and take correct food. Definitely we can cure sugar, diabetes. Both are same. Our body is made of millions of cells. Each cells are having 5 elements. That is called Panchabhuta: fire, water, earth, agas, air. The tip of the fingers are controlled by Panchabhuta. So if you are practicing mudra, it will give wonderful energy to pancreas. Each mudras are having some wonderful power that is called to cure each and every diseases. So today we are going to see the Varuna Mudra and Chin Mudra. Chin Mudra, it cure tension, stress. It give peaceful mind. Varuna Mudra, it gives wonderful pranic energy for pancreas. Is there any deviation in functioning of pancreas? If you practice Varuna Mudra, definitely it will be working very well manner. Very powerful 2 mudras today we are going to see. Now we are going to practical session. Confident on yourself. Believe yourself. In our 5th layer, that is called Atma Shakti. If you practice mudra, you will get wonderful divine power, Atma Shakti. That power will cure sugar. Okay. Mudras can be practiced either in the morning, afternoon, evening, before food. Suppose if you take food, 2 hours gap is enough. Now close your eyes, watch your breathing gently. Backbone should be straight. Gently watch your breathing. First mudra is called Chin Mudra. Watch your breathing 10 seconds. Slowly bend index finger and thumb finger. Tip of the index and thumb finger. This is called Chin Mudra. Close your eyes, watch your breathing for 2 to 5 minutes. Deep inhale, deep exhale for 10 times. While inhaling, think that you are receiving energetic prana in your inner parts of your organs. While exhaling, think that all tension, mental worries, stress, body pain, everything is released. Then you have to watch carefully your breathing. Just to closely watch your breathing in a relaxed manner. Okay. Then we have to practice Varuna Mudra. Very wonderful, powerful mudra. It cure pancreas. It cure sugar. It cure diabetes. It will give wonderful strength for pancreas. Okay. Slowly bend your little finger and thumb finger, tip of the thumb finger. Okay. One more time. Slowly bend your little finger and the tip of the thumb finger. This is called Varuna Mudra. Close your eyes, watch your breathing gently for 5 minutes. So today we are practicing two important mudras for sugar diabetes. First mudra is called Chin Mudra, like this. Then Varana Mudra. Okay. When you are hungry, at that time only you got to eat. While eating, don't see TV, phone, newspaper, etc. Concentrate on your food only. Get up early in the morning, 4 o'clock, and practice simple 2 mudras and close your eyes, watch your breathing. This is called Dhyana Mudra. Closely watch your breathing, deep inhale, deep exhale. 5 times, then you have to watch your breathing. Think that you are receiving energetic prana in your Manipuraka chakra, stomach inside. Pancreas is activating very well manner. You are receiving wonderful prana shakti in your pancreas. Concentrate on stomach inside. 5 minutes. Then go to bed also 9:30 p.m. to 10. Between 9:30 to 10 p.m. you have to go to bed. Take food carefully while eating. Your full concentration on food only. When you are hungry, at that time only you have to eat. Take sattvic food. Definitely, if you practice these 2 mudra daily 3 times, 5 minutes, 48 days, definitely you will get wonderful result. Definitely your sugar level will come normal. Believe yourself, practice mudra, attain always happy and healthy life. Thank you very much.
பதஞ்சலி டிவியை லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம சப்ஸ்கிரைபும் பண்ணுங்க.